Welcome to another incredible Bible adventure. Today, we're going to meet one of the strongest heroes ever, Samson. He had muscles, strength, and a big job to do for God. Are you ready? Let's go. A long time ago, the Israelites were having a really hard time. They were being bullied by the Philistines for 40 whole years. In the town of Zorah, there was a man named Manoah and his wife, who was sad because they couldn't have any children. But one day, something amazing happened. An angel from God appeared and said, "Don't be sad. You're going to have a baby boy, and he will be very special. He will help save your people from the Philistines." But there was one big rule. The baby's hair could never be cut because he would be a Nazirite, someone chosen by God from birth. Whoa, can you imagine how happy she was? She ran to tell her husband, and soon enough, they had a baby boy named Samson. As Samson grew up, it was clear. He wasn't just strong, he was super strong. Like strong enough to lift huge rocks and break things with his bare hands. And guess what? God was with him the whole time. But here's the thing about Samson. Even though he was super strong, he didn't always make the best choices. One day, Samson saw a woman from the Philistines, the people who were making life hard for the Israelites, and he said to his parents, "I want to marry her." His parents were like, "Are you sure, Samson? The Philistines aren't our friends." But Samson didn't listen. He wanted her to be his wife. While he was on his way to meet her, something scary happened. A roaring lion jumped out of the bushes. But guess what? Samson didn't even flinch. God gave him strength, and he tore that lion apart with his bare hands. Can you believe it? A little later, when Samson walked by the lion's body, he found something really strange. Bees had made honey inside it. He scooped out the honey and ate it. But he didn't tell anyone where it came from. Why do you think he kept it a secret? At his wedding feast, Samson was feeling clever. He gave the Philistines a riddle. Out of the eater, something to eat. Out of the strong, something sweet. The Philistines were confused. They couldn't figure it out. But they weren't going to give up so easily. Uh-oh. The Philistines went to Samson's new wife and told her to trick him into revealing the answer. She cried and cried until finally Samson told her the secret, and guess what? She told the Philistines. Samson felt betrayed. He was so mad that he went out, defeated 30 Philistines, and gave their clothes to the men who solved the riddle. Things were getting serious. Later, Samson's wife was given to someone else. So Samson got even madder. He caught 300 foxes, tied torches to their tails, and sent them running through the Philistines' fields, burning down everything. The Philistines were furious. Things only got worse. The Philistines finally captured Samson with the help of his own people. But Samson had one last trick up his sleeve. God gave him strength, and Samson broke free. With just the jawbone of a donkey, he fought off 1,000 Philistine men. Wow, what a hero, right? But here's where things take a sad turn. Samson fell in love with another woman, Delilah. She wasn't a friend, she was a spy. The Philistines paid her to find out the secret of Samson's strength. After tricking him again and again, Samson finally told her the truth. His strength came from his hair, and if it was cut, he would become weak. While Samson was asleep, Delilah had his hair cut off. And just like that, his strength was gone. The Philistines captured Samson, blinded him, and made him a prisoner. It seemed like all hope was lost. But God wasn't finished with Samson yet. Samson was brought out to entertain the Philistines. But Samson prayed to God. "Please, God, give me strength one more time." God heard him. With all his might, Samson pushed down the pillars of the temple, and it came crashing down on the Philistines. Samson gave his life to defeat his enemies, and in that moment, he fulfilled his mission. Even though Samson made mistakes, God used him to protect his people. Samson's story shows us that God can use anyone, even if we make mistakes. What's most important is trusting God's plan and always having faith. So remember, even when things seem hard, God is always there to help you be strong. If you liked this story, be sure to give us a big thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss out on more Bible adventures.